do you know when a concrete is good? When it's like a slushy, like the 7-Eleven slushy. When it looks like that, then it's good. So that's how you know. How do I know? I don't know. We're okay. There you go. Thumbs up. Okay guys, recap for the day. Look how beautiful that is. Well, anyways, I poured concrete today. So my mistake was thinking that I don't need that much, but I used 10 bag for one step. I don't like it. So I'm gonna go find more scrap stuff, prefer like rocks, bricks, cinder blocks, you know, stabilizers for the ground. And that'll make it more sturdier, and then I won't have to use too much concrete. So the end result of today's project is this. Not done yet, but I'm gonna get it. Step 1. And 1,000 more to go. Building my way to heaven. Alright, good night. Alright, good night. Have fun. Look at what I'm looking at. Bum 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 bum.